Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I am here with lesson number 9, part 2, consonant L, B, C, G, F, J, and N. If you did not subscribe to our channel, go and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. G, ab, gab. Your turn now. G, ad, gad. Your turn now. G, ag, gag. Your turn. G, al, gal. Your turn. G, as, gas. F, th, fad, fan, fat, fax. Your turn. J, j, jam, jan, jab, jag. Your turn. L, lab, lad, lag. Your turn. N, nab, nag, nat. Your turn. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and it was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. For more updates, you can hit the bell icon. Have a nice day.
Created using Powtoon.